Welcome to today's journey, where we explore one of the smallest yet most glamorous countries in the world, Monaco. Nestled along the Mediterranean coast, surrounded on three sides by France, and overlooking the deep blue waters of the Riviera, Monaco is a place where luxury, history, speed, and stunning scenery blend into one unforgettable destination. In this video, we will walk through the highlights of Monaco, discover its culture, explore the famous districts, and understand why this tiny principality attracts millions of visitors every year. Whether you are planning a trip or simply dreaming of travel, this guide will take you through the very best of Monaco. Monaco may be small in size, but it carries an enormous presence on the world stage. Known for its wealth, royal family, Formula One Grand Prix, and glamorous events, it offers an experience that feels larger than life. Despite its reputation for luxury, Monaco also offers charming historical sites, peaceful gardens, and breathtaking viewpoints that any traveler can enjoy. Walking through Monaco feels like stepping into a postcard, where every corner is polished, elegant, and full of character. Most travelers arrive from Nice, France, either by train, bus, or the scenic coastal road. The train ride itself is part of the experience, offering spectacular views of cliffs and sea as you approach the principality. Once inside Monaco, you will notice how compact everything is. Many attractions are within walking distance, although expect some steep hills and winding roads. Escalators and public lifts are scattered around the city to help you move from higher to lower streets with ease. Our first major stop is Monte Carlo, the world-famous district known for its casinos, luxury hotels, and vibrant nightlife. The centerpiece here is the Monte Carlo Casino, an architectural masterpiece that has appeared in multiple films and continues to attract visitors from all over the world. Even if you do not gamble, stepping inside the atrium or strolling the plaza outside is an experience on its own. Surrounding the casino, you will find designer boutiques, shining supercars, elegant terraces, and the iconic Hôtel de Paris. This area is perfect for capturing that classic Monaco atmosphere. For a quieter moment, head toward the Japanese garden. This beautifully designed space invites you to slow down, walk among ponds and bridges, and enjoy a peaceful break from the busy streets just minutes away. Next, make your way up to Monaco-Ville, also known as The Rock. This is the oldest part of the principality and feels completely different from Monte Carlo. Here, narrow streets, old stone buildings, and small restaurants create a charming village atmosphere. At the top stands the Prince's Palace, the official residence of the Grimaldi family. You can watch the changing of the guard outside or take a guided tour inside during visiting months. Nearby, you will find the St. Nicholas Cathedral, the burial place of Prince Rainier III and Princess Grace. The cathedral's elegant white facade and quiet interior make it a meaningful stop for travelers interested in Monaco's royal history. One of Monaco's most beloved attractions is the Oceanographic Museum, perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the Mediterranean. Founded in 1910, this museum combines grand architecture with an impressive collection of marine exhibits. Inside, you can explore aquariums filled with colorful species, learn about marine research, and even view historical artifacts related to ocean exploration. The rooftop terrace offers panoramic views that are unforgettable and perfect for photos or a relaxing moment. Monaco's harbors are a symbol of its lifestyle. Port Hercule, the main harbor, is lined with yachts, cafes, and restaurants. Walking around the port gives you a sense of the principality's glamour while still providing a relaxed seaside atmosphere. Many travelers enjoy sitting at a cafe here, watching the boats drift in and out and soaking in the coastal beauty. Port Fontvieille, on the other hand, is a quieter and more residential area. It sits next to the modern district of Fontvieille, built on reclaimed land. This area includes shopping centers, peaceful walking paths, and scenic viewpoints of the cliffs and harbor. Monaco is inseparable from its legendary Formula One Grand Prix. Every year, the city transforms into a racetrack where the world's best drivers compete through its narrow streets, tight corners, and steep hills. Even if you visit outside Grand Prix season, you can still walk along sections of the track. You will recognize famous points such as the Fairmont Hairpin, the Tunnel, and the Harbor Chicane. Standing on these spots offers a thrilling sense of history and speed. For those seeking relaxation, the Larvotto Beach area is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or enjoying coastal restaurants. The water here is clean and calm, making it ideal for families and travelers who want to enjoy the Mediterranean without traveling far. The promenade behind the beach is newly renovated and wonderful for a sunset walk. If you continue farther along the coast, you will find peaceful paths and rock formations that offer scenic views and a refreshing sea breeze. Monaco's food scene is a blend of French, Italian, and Mediterranean flavors. While the Principality is known for high-end dining, you can also find casual cafes and small eateries with delicious meals. Classic dishes include barbizon, a local savory pastry, and fougasse, a sweet treat topped with nuts and anise. Seafood is fresh and popular, and enjoying a meal with sea views is something you should not miss. Monaco is extremely safe, clean, and easy to navigate. Public transportation is efficient, but walking is often the best way to explore. Prices can be high, especially near major attractions, so plan your budget accordingly. Many viewpoints are free to enjoy, and wandering through different districts can be just as rewarding as visiting paid attractions. The best time to visit is spring or early autumn, when temperatures are pleasant and crowds are manageable. Summer is the busiest season, while winter is quieter but still beautiful. Monaco may be small, but its beauty, history, and atmosphere make it an extraordinary destination. From the elegance of Monte Carlo and the charm of the old town to the blue waters of the coast and the excitement of the Grand Prix, every corner offers something memorable. Whether you have a full day or an entire week, Monaco is a place that leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for joining this travel journey. If you enjoyed exploring Monaco and want to discover more destinations, stay tuned for upcoming videos.